Hello, my lovely friends. I hope you are doing great. Today, we're going to talk about a list consisting of impersonal opinion. So, as you remember, we talked about the fact that in writing an essay, you should be looking for impersonal opinion while writing your body paragraphs. So, you can say it cannot be denied that money plays an important role in people's lives. It is often claimed that money cannot buy happiness. People often claim that children cannot grow up perfectly without a parental presence. Some people argue that it is more important to have an enjoyable job than to earn a lot of money. Many argue that old workers should be permitted to work even after reducing the retirement age. It is true to say that the global warming is caused by pollution and other environmental damage. It is undeniable that watching television programs has both positive and negative effects on people. So, as you can see, there are different ways with which we can say whatever we think of, and we are referring to other people in order to make it much more impersonal, because you're writing something academic, and except for some specific places like examples or introduction and conclusion that you would like to refer to your own opinion, you have to think about it on a global scale. So you can use these phrases or the other phrases because, as you know, the number of ways that we can say something is numerous. So there is no limitation, and they can just give you a hint about what exactly we are looking for. Take a look at the last sentence that we have here, effect. Effect is a noun. And as you can see here, it is said that it is undeniable that watching television programs has both positive and negative effects on people. So effect is a noun. That's why we have a verb which is has. So to have an effect or effects on someone. So that's why you can see the preposition on here. So if I want to change it into a verb, it would become affect. So if I want to paraphrase this sentence, trying to use affect instead of effect, it would be like this. It is undeniable that watching television programs affects people both positively and negatively. So that is the way we can reconstruct this sentence, and I wanted just to tell you about this very important and smart difference, because a lot of you guys are making that mistake. Maybe you're not aware of that, but because of the fact that I see a lot of candidates making that, I wanted to share it with you. Now, let's talk about the list of personal opinion. You can say, in my opinion, or in my view, men and women should have the same educational opportunities. To my mind, everyone should be encouraged to stay in school until 18. So as you see, we have used a passive structure here. To my way of thinking, there are various reasons why people decide to live in big cities. A very nice use of why here, while giving the reason. As far as I am concerned, shopping online is very convenient. Pay attention to the spelling of this word because it is somehow challenging. It seems to me that death penalty is essential to prevent humans from committing serious crimes. So as you can see here, we have prevent someone from doing something. And the verb that collocates with crime is commit. So to commit a crime. I believe that it is more beneficial for children to have homework. So here we can pay attention to the adjective beneficial, and the preposition that has been used here is for. So to be beneficial for someone or something. The other point is about the spelling of the word believe. Just try to write it down so many times in order to assure that you know how to spell it out. So as you can see, we have talked about impersonal way of making your statement in a much more effective way. And now we talked about personal opinions, because your personal opinion really matters in specific places as well, while giving examples, while talking about your own opinion, because in many circumstances like opinion essay, you need to express how you think about that very specific situation.